Welcome to this video, and in this video we will explain how you can earn money with stocks. So basically, when you invest in a stock, you should see yourself as a business owner, even if that means just owning a tiny fraction of the company. And when you own a stock of a company, there are basically two ways to make a profit on your investment. The first way is by an increasing stock price, which they call the appreciation of a stock price, and the second way is by receiving a dividend. Let's start with the first way, which is by the appreciation of the stock price. If you buy a share of a company that's selling electronics, for example, you do that because you think the company will continue to earn a profit in the future, preferably a profit that keeps on growing year after year. So let's say you invest in 100 shares of that company, and each share costs you $50, which means that your total investment is $5,000. Now we fast forward 5 years into the future, and it turns out your analysis was right. The company earns massive profits and expanded its business internationally. In just 5 years, the company managed to capture massive parts of the market share of its competitors, and profits grew by 300%. Now this spectacular growth won't go unnoticed, and many investors are lining up to invest in shares of that company. This increase in demand for the stock drives the price from $50 all the way up to $150. And your original investment of $5,000 has now tripled and is worth $15,000. So this is one way to make money with stocks. The other way to make money with stocks is through a dividend. And a dividend is essentially a part of the profit that the company generated that you as a shareholder receive in cash. So essentially, if the company is earning massive profits, it needs to decide what to do with that money. So a part of it can be used to reinvest into the business by buying new assets or investing in new projects. Another part can be used to pay back the debt, and then another part can be used to reward current shareholders and attract new shareholders by paying out a dividend. Now, dividends are usually not the most spectacular way to earn money with stocks, but they provide a relatively steady and reliable return. Now, it is important to note that not all companies pay out a dividend, but most big companies do. A company will pay a dividend if the management of that company thinks the money has no better use, such as reinvestment into new projects that help the company grow. Now, most of the high dividend paying companies can be found in the utility, oil, tobacco, insurance and telecom sector. So all in all, the two ways to earn money with stocks are through the appreciation of the stock price and through receiving a dividend. While most money can be made through the appreciation of the stock price, the dividend is often a more steady way to earn money, and it is often preferred by investors who can't afford to take a lot of risk. So that's it for this video. We hope you enjoyed it and that you learned a lot. Now, if you're interested in learning more about investing in stocks, the link in the description offers a good place to start. Now, if you have any questions or any comments, please let us know.